Welcome to our tutorial on how to overcome common challenges in staff augmentation. Struggling to find the right talent? Partner with reputable firms and clearly define your needs to ensure a perfect match. Worried about team integration? Foster collaboration through team-building activities and regular check-ins. Maintain quality by setting clear performance standards and providing regular feedback. Overcome these challenges and unlock the full potential of staff augmentation. Scale your business with confidence. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.